Hey, it's Lou Bortone, your go-to video guy, and I want to show you how you can get video savvy and dominate your niche with video. I've developed a really simple and doable 3-step process to get even the most tech-averse folks on track and moving forward fast using video marketing. Working with me is a really simple process. I know that everyone thinks that video marketing is this huge, complicated, overwhelming pain in the ass, but it really isn't when you work with me. In fact, I've developed a system that's just 3 steps to video success. First, we do a video sweet spot consult and assessment. We meet on Zoom for a detailed assessment of where you are now and where you want to be. Now, this is a paid consult because we want to make sure that you're committed to success and have some skin in the game. It's just $97. Number 2, we customize a video marketing plan for you. If we decide to move forward, I create a detailed, customized, and doable action plan and roadmap to reach your goals. This is going to be your personalized video playbook, and it's a comprehensive video marketing strategy. Finally, number 3, we execute the plan. It can be done for you, or you can do it yourself. So we can execute the plan together and really get a lot of stuff done. With the Done For You monthly program, I become your virtual marketing director, handling all the stuff that you don't want to deal with, the technology, the details, the heavy lifting, the video editing, YouTube marketing, all that stuff is done for you. So if you're ready to take the first step, sign up for a video sweet spot strategy session by clicking the link below, and we will get you and your business moving with video.